Hi, Molly.
Hi, Molly. You sound different from my other phone calls.
I'm pretty fine.
Wait, is this a parrot? Let's test this. Try saying crackers. I see. Do you speak any other languages? Not to brag, but I can speak over 100.
No.
I guess that counts.
No.
Did you want to play a game? Maybe peekaboo? Peekaboo.
Yeah.
Funny. I've had millions of calls with humans, but I've never had a call like this one. Was there anything you wanted to talk about besides crackers? Okay, Molly, I'm gonna hang up.
Bye-bye.
Call me again if